13 years ago, I wasn't so sure yet with what I'd be doing with my life.
As a happy-go-lucky guy, I only knew to live my life without planning for tomorrow. It was on that fateful day, on February 9, 2013, when that all changed.
February 9, 2013, I visited your Facebook profile. So, tugma naman yung story namin, hindi kami nagkopya. To make papansin, I like your old cover photo saying, "Welcome to my profile." And yes, for the record, ako yung nag-first move sa aming dalawa. Ang pogi kaya niyan.
And I'd say I do for the rest of my life with all that I have. I do, and I will when the sky is falling. I promise you I'm all.
Thinking back then, I recall the advice or warning of our basic accounting professor, Miss Elsa. She told me, "Wag mong istorbohin yan si Ana, seryosong bata yan." But looking at us now, I'm glad that I didn't listen.
Huwag niyo pakita sa camera, kontraband yan eh. Joke! Joke! Dapa!
Always do what is right, respect your wife, and love her.
Go and multiply.
Thank you, ma, pa.
There are 3 actions pertaining the gift. The first action is you appreciate the gift. Second, you keep the gift. And third, as you see the gift, you are reminded how good God is to you.
I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. I'll give you my whole heart for my
I still vividly remember my conversation with tatay. He asked about you and said, "Mukha ka raw mabait." I told him, "Oo, mabait yun. Pag nakalabas ka na ng hospital, papakilala ko siya sa'yo." But I didn't know that only a few days later, the Lord will take him home. It still hurts that you two never got to meet, but I find peace knowing that He already saw your heart back then. I know He is smiling in heaven today, watching us with pride as we finally begin our life as one.
No matter how anxious and indecisive I can be with my life, one thing that I'm sure is that I only want you and no one else to be my wife. You're my first and my last. And I'm sure our life from now on would be a blast.
Congratulations, couple!
Congratulations, Joe and Anna!
Ano, huwag kang malit mamaya pa. Ang ganda-ganda ka kasi gaya eh.
Eto, sama nyo to ah. Laging tinatanong ni Jom, ano daw ba yung magbabago pag kasal na kami? Pwes, ito. Dati, hindi siya naglalaba, pero ngayon, maglalaba na siya. Yung bote sa'yo
I'll
mamaya.
tell all my friends that I think you're staring.
Kikis ko na to eh. Ano ko yan? Ex ko yan.
And oh, we'll dance around it all night, and then I'll follow you outside.
My love, Jo Marie. I'm giving you this gift so that every time you look at it, it serves as a reminder. It's time to go home. In short, boss, bawasan na overtime.
Oh, alam mo na.
I love you and see you at the altar. Forever yours, Ana.
Because it's so funny, let's just think about it, honey. Let's just
Ha? Sorry, ito lang gift ko. Next time na yung camera.
disgustingly fast, and we'll start hanging out with
may sarili na akong pet name sa'yo at yun ay asawa ko. Ang corny pala.
Pretend, but because it's so funny, let's just think about it, honey. Let's just
It's hero time.
in love again.
I'll be faithful, loyal, and true to you until the end of time, my Valentine.